Action talk and no one bag of mouth.
Good evening everybody and welcome to Action Talk. Big things we have won in a little Jamaica. For today Monday, June 8, 2009, my name is Primrose Barrett. The part of the government will collect money for help out people who can't take care of themselves, can't hardly find the money nowadays, and end up having paid out only more money a year time from the tax for them to collect. The Observer for Monday, June 8, 2009 said the Secretary for the Ministry of Labour and Social Security, Alvin McIntosh, said the money plan for help people who can't work were named the National Insurance Scheme in enough problem. The National Insurance Scheme is one government plan to collect money from everybody who work and use it to help them when them get old and can't work. Them use the same money to help out the people them who are sick and can't work, the picnic them will not have no mother and father, and they smother them over husband or wife dead. Right now, a 90,000 somebody get pension money a week time. That costs the government over $8 billion a year time when them only collect $6 billion a year. Them say that shows say, although more than 1 million somebody a work, only 450,000 people are paid the money what the government need for use to help the same somebody them, if none harm to them. As according to the same Observer, Mr. McIntosh say, them not have all of the money what them need, cause some of the people them with own business now work with the government. Enough time different boss have to go to court to pay up the N.I.S. money where them collect from them worker them and never give the government. After the last 3 years them, the ministry have one big problem cause them have to pay out only more money than what them collect. McIntosh say if the problem no fix and the money no collect then the N.I.S. now go last and the people them now go have no money to get when they need it. The ministry have to collect more money for pay pension to all of the old people them, and as according to Mr. McIntosh, more old people there in Jamaica now cause people live longer than one time. The old people them are the people them who reach 60 years old. From one woman reach 60, she have to top work and collect pension money, and from one man reach 65, he have to do the same thing. Right now, Jamaica have 270,000 people who reach 60, but the ministry finds that in a 10-year time, the number they are going to reach 340,000, and by the year 2050, Jamaica will have around 600,000 people who reach 60 years old. Right now, the 270,000 somebody them will collect pension might live till them reach 73 or 74 years old. As according to Alvin McIntosh, the people them will check out how the N.I.S. money is spent, and if them are going to have no problem in the year them will come, so things don't look so bad right now. But him say if them are going to still pay out the whole heap of money with them have, them are going to have big trouble, and the government might have a change of the age for this money them will collect pension, cause the country have enough old people nowadays. This is the Action Talk. Big things we are going in a little Jamaica. My name is Primrose Barrett. Till next time, walk good.